just fucking love my family. We have here a broken Xbox 2 Christmases ago. Thanks to my asshole father. There's $250 down the drain. And this fucking bag of tricks is my broken $900 camera and $150 shotgun mic. Which, I mean, I scraped together money to get a replacement, but still, I was made a fucking laughing stock in front of all my friends and on YouTube. So, it's time to get revenge on these fuckers. I can't stand this house anymore. Hey, Poopy John. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Hey, I was wondering if I could borrow your laptop.
What do you want it for?
I was just going to talk to this girl online.
What are you filming?
Huh? Nah, I was filming earlier. Camera's off. That's why I have it down.
Alright.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, boobs. Okay. And by now, you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, just knowing how fucking crazy my dad is, I'm gonna show him the psycho. Ew, that is fucking disgusting. My brother is disgusting. Okay. I'm gonna show my dad the video. Wow, Comcast is surprisingly fast right now. There's my brother's account. There it is. Psycho destroys Xbox. Oh my. Are you fucking kidding me?
Right now to take advantage of these
my brother put ads on this shit.
2014.
Okay, alright. Oh, hopefully I don't drop this shit. Okay. Ooh. Fucking asshole. Oh, jeez. Dad! What? I was wondering if you had a second. I want to know if you want to watch this.
What is it?
It's one of the Jeffrey's videos.
Well, why am I watching Jeffrey's video and you're filming me?
Huh? No, it's a reaction.
How the hell you start the thing?
You push that right there.
Why do you pick now to do this anyway?
You just watch it?
Yeah.
Well, don't skip it.
Well, I don't know what the hell it is. This is bullshit. What is this? You videotaped the Xbox thing?
I didn't.
Well, who did?
Jeffrey did.
Well, when did he do it? Why is it on YouTube? I can't have people seeing this crap. Why would you even
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I'm the one that gets my fucking Xbox, bro.
Why would you put it on YouTube?
I don't know. I didn't do it.
So how long has it been on here?
I don't know. He uploaded that like 2 Christmases ago.
2 million views. And how long ago?
I don't know.
Oh crap! You know, I can't have this shit on TV. There are not people seeing all this stuff.
What are you doing?
What you deserve it. What you need to do.
You just fucking broke the screen.
Yeah.
Holy shit! What the? Oh.
There.
You know that was Jeffrey's laptop, right?
Who cares? Why would Jeffries come out here? Why would you do it? You set me up, didn't you?
I didn't. I'm just filming. I just wanted to see you get mad because he made me look like a fool and you look like a fool. So he deserves to be punished.
Making me look like a fool now too, and you're videotaping. Here, give me the freaking.
I don't know, dude. One of my cameras already.
Pick it up. Take it into your brother. Take it into your brother.
There's nothing even to fucking pick up.
Pick up what's there.
I'm gonna
pick up what's
I'm
there.
gonna cut myself on the glass.
You'll learn your lesson, won't you?
Fuck.
It's plastic. It ain't gonna be that bad.
I didn't even do this.
It's not. It's plastic. Don't worry about pick it up. Serves you right for doing this shit. Set me up. Go pick it up.
He deserves this shit.
Pick it up and take it into your brother.
You just fucking axed a laptop.
Who cares? You just embarrassed me on YouTube.
It's freaking YouTube.
Yeah. Well, what's it? It doesn't mean anything to you because you're going for.
Well, I don't want to do
No,
this.
get in there.
But what, are you gonna hit me now?
No, I don't
in
hit
front of
you.
Everyone on YouTube.
I don't hit you. You ought to know that. Get your ass in there. Learn your lesson. Give it to your brother.
He's gonna beat the fucking shit out of me.
Well, learn your lesson. I wouldn't set you up like that.
You're setting me up right now, giving me a
No, you know what I mean. Get in there and give it to your brother.
Can we not do this? Can we?
No, get in there. Come on. Just cut it out.
not?
It's not a drama. Get in there. Do it. Take care of it. Own up to your stuff.
What the?
Am I knocking?
Why? Brother has something for you.
What the fuck?
Just
Smash the smithereens?
I didn't do this shit. Dad did it.
What the fuck is going? Give me a fucking computer!
I didn't even fucking. Where? There's
Learn
nothing
your
fucking left of
lesson.
it. There's
Yeah.
not, get the shit out of my way.
This is what they get. This is what they get. Learn your lesson, boys.